What is Keto Breads and Keto Desserts? The Keto Breads and Keto Dessert program aims to enjoy your favorite dishes, improve and maintain good health. The program was created by Kerry Herring, who is known as the founder and CEO of Healning Gourmet. The program contains not only delicious recipes but also the content and principles contained in it raise awareness about the impact of certain foods on the body. Kerry clearly shows you how to prepare delicious desserts with a variety of substances that are full of nutrients while maintaining good health and losing weight. All ingredients and recipes of this book have been researched and tested by the best nutritionist. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. How does Keto Breads and Keto Desserts works? Keto Breads and Keto Desserts' purpose is to raise awareness of the impact of food on the body and to learn how a combination of food can help replace chronic diseases and promote good health. The main purpose of this book is to help all people around the world in a slimming. This book will show you how to lose weight with your favorite desserts without losing your health. You will receive information on 11 flours, which guarantees gluten-free and low glycemic. A special fiber that can make the desserts more creamy, sweeter and nourish the good bacteria that live in the gut. You will find out the best food you need to eat, and you should not eat. The program also displays 12 changes that can use as a binder instead of an egg. After receiving Keto Bread and Keto Desserts, you will notice that this program is a nutritional program that has reached a completely new level, offering you a variety of nutritional sweets and immune booster. Click the link below for visit official site. Benefits of Keto Breads and Keto Desserts. Ensure health with the right ingredients. This book will ensure that you use the right ingredients that promote better health but retain the taste. Improved health. Keto Breads and Keto Desserts indicate that you can enjoy your favorite snacks without harmful mixture. You can use the natural mixture to eat healthy snacks. Bonus. Number 1, awesome appetizers. Number 2, copycat Girl Scout cookies. Pros. The book offers great value for money due to the number of recipes offered. The recipes do not contain artificial colors and flavors, which means that they are better for your health. It provides information on food products that should be avoided. Keto Breads and Keto Desserts also contain tips on saving time, nutritional information and anticipated preparation time. This book has a 60-day cash return offer. It also provides medically safe ideas for dessert in all types of conditions. Cons. It is available only in the digital format. For more information, click the link below.